In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find downloaded files in Telegram. We'll focus on Telegram Desktop, so if you are using the app on your computer, this will help you quickly figure out where your files go and how to see them inside the app. First, let's talk about the default location. On Windows, most files you download through Telegram Desktop are saved in your Downloads folder, inside a subfolder called Telegram Desktop. This is the typical setup if you haven't changed anything in the app. Knowing this is useful because it gives you a clear place to check when you are looking for something you just downloaded, like a document, a video, or an image. Now, if you want to confirm exactly where Telegram is currently saving files, you can check it right inside the app. Open Telegram Desktop and look for the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. That's the main menu. Click it. Then go to Settings. From there, open Advanced. In the Advanced section, you'll see an option called Downloads or Downloads Path. This shows you the current folder where Telegram is putting your files. It's a quick way to verify the exact location so you are not guessing or hunting around your drive. While you are in Advanced, here is also a Downloads area in the app that lets you review your downloaded and downloading items. Click Downloads to see the files Telegram is handling for you. This is especially handy if you are waiting on a large file, because you can monitor its progress without leaving the app. Telegram includes a dedicated download manager for files up to 2 GB in size, so you'll get clear indicators for status and completion, which helps you know when it's safe to go look for the file in your folder. If you've just finished a download but don't see it where you expect, take a moment to double-check the Downloads path in Settings to confirm the folder name and location. Also, look in the in-app downloads section to make sure the file fully finished downloading. Large files can take a little longer, and the progress bar will tell you exactly where things stand. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.